All right, we got
take out
the
those
Rancho.
And those two.
Yep, and this is for installing the Rancho front diff skid for the D44.
Oh, that was like that with the Ugga Dugga.
Use the manual Ugga Dugga.
Yeah, manual.
So it's really nice that we don't actually have to take the diff cover off to do this.
Yeah, that'd be a huge pain.
That would be a pain. Just have to take the 4 bolts out. Don't hurt yourselves.
When you do buy the Rancho skid, they do give you the correct bolts for it.
Yeah.
They're just sitting in the attic. Yeah.
So those are just placeholders for now. But you do have everything to install the back part of it.
I do, yes.
So
that's new. Back one is new in box.
Yeah. Yeah, so those are going to go in as just placeholders.
There's the front of it. And then on the back, there's a portion that goes up and over near the drive shaft. You don't want to put it on the drive shaft, obviously. So this little piece right here holds the back side of that front skid in place. Yeah, that's not going to work like that. Not on the drive shaft now. No. All right, quick tour of the installed skid plate. This thing is on. The one thing we have remaining to do is put the longer bolts in the front. I'll swing around to show you guys those. All right, so these two over here, and there are 2 over there. Those are currently the OEM bolts. The ones we got from Rancho originally, which are currently upstairs, well, in the attic. We need to go grab them, but they're longer than the OEM ones. Yeah, so there's a little metal loop right on top of this that bridges this part of the pumpkin right here. That's what he's getting ready to torque down. 20 is actually a lot more than I thought.
This is your workout.
There we go.
Oh, nice.
The click.
The click.
I can feel it tightening in the bolt tonight. Oh, Lord.
All right, looking good. Anyways, that's the install. Thanks for joining us. Chaz is giving our live stream a little what's up. Anyways, thanks for coming on. Hi. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. So happy whatever day of the week it is for you. Over here, we're going to continue with the live stream, but thanks for watching.